Today is Hero Day! Blue's hero is Captain Spanner!
Oh, even heroes need help sometimes. Oh.
We've been dressing Vicky as her hero, Fiona Firetrap!
Why wait, Trevor? Faster is better. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. Who's your hero? I suppose it's me. Turbo Tractor? Oh, yes, Turbo Tractor. I can make that happen. Easy.
Awesome work, team! Fiona looks just like her hero, Vicky the ice cream truck!
Only Trevor left to go, Gecky. Then it's time for the Hero Day party.
Spinning screwdrivers! Someone's tried to turbocharge Trevor!
Turbo bodge, more like.
I can't work with that rust bucket. If you break, don't come back to me. Ah!
Well, I'd never, Trevor. Don't worry, dear. We'll undo that weasel's worthless work.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Let's replace this turbocharger with something new and even larger. Weasel's work was incomplete. An intercooler will cool the heat.
A chrome exhaust for the X Factor makes Trevor look like Turbo Tractor.
The party's about to start. And I know who my hero is. You're the best mechanic ever, Grandma. And the best Grandma. You're my hero.
Thank you, Gecky. And you're mine. Because you make everyone feel like a hero.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing box! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh. Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, excuse me.
Now, what's next, Mechanicals? Whoa! I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. It's time to repaint the sign, Mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. Glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear, what a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new. Fiona Fire Truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. hand, please.
Are you all right, Yellow?
Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye!
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time! And Gecko's Garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona, and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Aha! Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's Garage.
Hello, everyone. We're at the construction site with our friend Dandy. He's teaching Baby Truck and Red how to be firefighters.
Oh, gee, I'm super excited too. Now, recruits, the next lesson is fighting a fire.
Look! Eric's built a safe place to light a practice fire for Dandy.
To put out a fire, we pour water on the flames. Time to grab your hose.
Safety first, Red. Helmet on properly. There.
I've got you, buddy. Woohoo! That's what I call fighting a fire.
Wow! Great job, you two. Fiona, look out!
No! Oh!
Dandy saved Fiona.
Oh,
Don't panic! Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
But how will you get back down?
Next lesson is using Fiona's ladder to rescue someone stuck up high. Like me.
Oh no! Fiona's ladder won't reach. Spinning screwdrivers! Dandy might fall! We need a longer ladder. Fast! I know. To reach Dandy, let's join Fiona and Baby Truck's ladders together. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time. Quickly, let's undo these screws, because there's not a minute to lose. Now fasten the ladders together tight, so we can give them extra height. Huh? The final fix to reach our friend is to bolt Eric's bucket on the end. Dandy, climb into the bucket.
Dandy dive! Thank you, brave recruits.
Phew, everyone's safe. Thanks, old pal. You taught us a lot today.
And you all taught me the true meaning of teamwork.
Goodbye, everyone.
oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko. We're here at Cat's place for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet. Someone needs rescuing.
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Almost! Yes!
Another happy landing.
And... happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Ah, hurrah! All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please?
Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!